Hey everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you Olymp trade promo codes. So in order to find the 100% working promo codes relating to the Olymp trade, the first thing that you need to do is to simply open the web browser that you are using in your PC or in your mobile device, and here in the search bar you need to search for Olymp trade promo code. After that you need to press enter. Once done, you will be able to see various types of websites that can provide you the Olymp Trade promo codes. Here you will be able to see olymptrade.net and the link that would say Olymp Trade promo codes. So you just have to simply click on this link and it will redirect you on olymptrade.net. Over here you need to click on get a promo code and then it will redirect you on the sign in page. Now over here you just have to sign in into the Olymp Trade official website, and whichever promo code is working right now will be applicable on the creation of your new account. The second thing that you can do is you can simply go to any of the websites that you are interested in. Let's say I simply click on this promo code .ninja website. So you just have to click on it, and as you can see that they are providing the 100% bonus, 50% off, and $500 worth of or bonuses. So you just have to simply select any of the coupon codes in which you are interested. Let's say I want to avail this 100% off coupon code, so you just have to click on show code right next to it, and then it will show you the code in front of you. So you need to click on copy code and then click on shop now. After that it will redirect you on the olymptrade.com, where again you just have to simply click on start trading, then provide your email address and your password, and you just have to simply create your account on it. Now in most of the cases all of these promo codes are working on a new fresh account. So if you already have an account on Olymp Trade, then I would recommend you to create a new account if you can. Only then you will be able to avail these promo codes and these offers to the most. So if the video was helpful to you, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel for more these types of content. Thank you so much for watching.